Hey guys, wagwan, wagwan. Alright, so to the family members them out there who are not proud of how my life is going or the path that my journey is taking, I'm not impressed by you all either. So no judgment really no matter, you know. Cause if Uno, the family members that came before me, father, mother, grandparents, you know, whatever it is, if you guys applied on yourself properly in the earth, we wouldn't have to struggle so much right now, you know. You get to me, I say most of the things that we actually go through in our life, we would have to actually go through it if we don't never make shame and pride, low self-esteem, lack of self-belief, or whatever it is, where cause you know, if you not apply on yourself properly in our life. Yeah, that actually make the people who come after you struggle so much in our life, you know. And then most of them family members are like uncle and them type of people like mother and father. Some of them all try to depend on you too when you start make little money, you know. When them should actually set the way for you, so you actually have an easier life than them. No, most of them people that look like they want to struggle even worse than them. When actually she say you have potential. Yeah, so I'm not really impressed by you, know, either. I'll never do nothing great. So, yeah.